Welcome foam crafters, makers, and artists. This video will show you how to assemble and use the Hotwire Foam Factory Sled Guide. The Sled Guide should include a faceplate and baseplate, the baseplate being the longer of the two side supports, a middle support, a handle, and a side extension. For hardware, it should have 3 screws, 3 wing nuts, 2 small washers, 1 big washer, and the tool clamp. To start, attach the side pieces by compressing the spring end of their bottom tabs into the side slots on the base plate, then press them down. Next, attach the faceplate by compressing the spring end of the front tabs on the sides into the side slots of the base plate, then press it back. The middle support and handle are optional pieces that can be removed at will. To attach them, first compress the spring part of the handle tab into one of the middle support slots and then press it down. Then insert one end of the middle support into the slot on one of the sides, then gently spread the sides apart and insert the other end into the other side. To attach the clamp, put a screw through the middle hole, slide it into the long slot on the faceplate, attach the big washer to the back side, and tighten it down with a wing nut. The Sled Guide is compatible with all of our crafters and pro hand tools, including hot knives, engravers, the sculpting tool, and the freehand router. The cutouts on the back of the side panels can be used to keep your cords out of the way. To help you cut in a straight line, use a ruler or other straight edge as shown here. The clamp can be adjusted for angled cuts. The side extensions allow you to use the sculpting tool or freehand router to create chamfers and bevels. To attach it, first put the 2 screws into the holes on the side extension, slide it through the long slot on the faceplate, attach the 2 small washers on the back side, and tighten them down with wing nuts. Next, put a screw through the middle hole of the clamp, slide it into the long slot on the side extension, attach the big washer to the back side, and tighten it down with a wing nut. This puts the tool off to the side, allowing you to easily chamfer and bevel edges. The height and distance can be adjusted for deeper and shallower bevels and chamfers. That's everything you need to know about the Sled Guide. Thanks for watching and happy foam crafting!